This course involves training students how to do medicinal chemistry. And so what that means is how to create new molecules that will eventually become drugs. Specifically, what students are doing in this class is helping to fight antimicrobial resistance. So a lot of news stories cover, we've got drugs that are resistant to every antibiotic. How do we treat those materials? And so medicinal chemistry is one of the ways that we do that. Specifically, what we're doing is we're putting on something called a leaving group, which means that we can use other chemical compounds that are nucleophiles, that they'll come in and they'll kick that leaving group off, and they will replace that leaving group with this other chemical entity that hangs off of it. And so what all the students are doing is they're making 2 compounds each. And so this will form a small library of derivatives of an antibiotic. And so what we'll do is we'll grow a bacteria and we'll apply these antibiotics that they've developed onto small paper discs and put it on a petri dish that's growing that bacteria. And any antibiotics that are active will cause the bacteria to not grow around that disc.
We're just trying to see what the next derivative or any sorts of new variations of this one specific molecule that we have for other sorts of practical uses that we could use for, say, antibiotics or other sorts of drugs.
And so medicinal chemistry then becomes an iterative process where we test another slate of functional groups and find one that keeps working better and better until we find something that is both the best in terms of activity and both the best in terms of pharmacokinetic properties. Medicinal chemistry is one of our newest majors in the college. And it really gives students who are interested in all facets of science, biomedical applications, and medicine itself a really good basis in order to apply to medical school, apply to graduate school, or go out and get a job. It's one of our ones that emphasizes much more biology than is typical in a usual chemistry curriculum.
We have a lot of amazing professors here that are incredibly passionate about what they're teaching, and they want to see all of you succeed. It's all just really fun. Not many people say that chemistry is fun, but I quite enjoy it, and the faculty here really make your experience worthwhile.